Hello ladies and gentlemen, Martin here, and today we're going to be replacing the lower grill reinforcement and a lower grill, which it's the one on the bottom. It's that one. The story behind this is actually pretty quite funny. I hit a fat raccoon, like a good 15 to 18 pound raccoon, and it's been this way for a good while, probably 6 months, maybe, yeah, about 6 months. But yeah, so let's get this going and get this thing back looking right. So let's do this. Okay guys, that's going to be it for the video. She is finally looking like she needs to look. But I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.